Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now in this video, I am going to tell you about the asexual reproduction in plants. What is asexual reproduction? Earlier you have studied about the sexual reproduction, okay? In that, the new plant arises from the seeds. But here in asexual reproduction, the plant do not arise from the seeds, but from other parts such as stem, leaves, etc. So a plant can reproduce asexually by different methods. So this kind of reproduction is called the asexual reproduction. Now children, asexual reproduction where the new plants grow from a stem, root or leaf, that is called the vegetative reproduction. Okay, so vegetative reproduction is that kind of reproduction in which the vegetative part of the plant will give rise to a new plant. Okay, so what are the vegetative parts? That is the stem, root and the leaves, whereas the reproductive parts are fruits, flowers and the seed. First we will talk about the vegetative reproduction by leaves. So here you see the leaf of a bryophyllum plant. Okay, so what happens here, they are having the the reproductive buds are there. Okay, when the leaves become fully mature, okay, then there will be the formation of the buds at the edges of the leaf. Okay, and when they drop down and come in the contact with the moist soil, then what happens, each bud will become a new plant. Okay, so this is the vegetative propagation by the leaves. That means the leaves are able to develop into a new plant by some outgrowth. Now another is the vegetative reproduction by stems. Okay, this is the potato. Potato is an underground stem. Okay, and this onion is also known as a stem. Okay, so what happens, this is the bulb. Okay, and here is the eye, or also you can say bud. So you might have seen in your house that sometimes when the potatoes are stored for longer time, then what happens, this kind of some sort of outgrowth appears. Okay, and when you will cut this portion and put it into the soil, then they are able to develop into a new plant. Same thing happens with the onion also. If you are keeping onion for so long time, then what happens, some green leafy structure will come out. Okay, they will start arising and forming the new plant. When you will place it into the soil, moist soil, then slowly and gradually it will become a new plant. Sometimes the stem cuttings, okay, the stem cuttings can be placed into the soil and then it will develop into a new plant. So this cuttings, that means the stem will be cut into different pieces and each piece will be able to develop into a new plant, because from the nodes the new branches will start arising. Now here the vegetative reproduction by spores. Okay, especially the non-flowering plants are there, that is ferns and the mosses. Okay, they make spores. Okay, and each spore can grow into a new plant when they get the favorable condition. Okay, so these plants have the special structures and these are called the spores. They are ball-like structures, and when the spore bursts, then they scatter and they start germinating. Especially when you see on the breads that some molds are there. Okay, and also the mushroom, they are able to grow with the help of the ball-like structure present on their body, that is called the spores. This is also a kind of vegetative reproduction. And the last one is vegetative reproduction by the roots. Okay, so here you can see the best example, that is the sweet potato. Sweet potato is a kind of underground, that is a root. Okay, it's a root. So what happens, they are having the adventitious buds. Okay, so this one, when these buds are buried into the moist soil, because they are having the small, you can say this roots are there, Okay, and this portion, when it will be cut, then what happens? The buds are buried into the moist soil and they grow and develop into a new plant. So this is all about the vegetative reproduction. So students, hope you all have understood the topics. If you have any doubt or question, you can ask in the comment section below. And the remaining topics will be covered in the next videos. Please like, share it with your classmates, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get my latest updates. Thank you and take care.